Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hockey Box Break number 59. Tonight we'll be breaking two boxes of Panini Limited 2012-2013. A couple of quick notes. I do have some Black Diamond up right now under auction number 60, so if you search under auction 60, I have one box best offer. That'll end next Sunday. I got two boxes, auction number 61. I believe they're starting at $4.99. And I also have another couple of boxes, auction number 62. So if you search for auction number 62, that's next Saturday, and I'll be listing two tomorrow. Starting bids $4.99. So if you're interested, stop by and have a look. And of course, next week we'll also be auctioning another two boxes of Panini Limited as normal, number 63. And later on tonight, another 40 minutes from now, we have two boxes of classics. But I think by the time this gets uploaded to YouTube, it'll probably have already ended. So I wish everybody the best of luck. The last auction that ended was the Colorado Avalanche at 2023. Let me take the autofocus off. 2023 Colorado for break 59, and we are now 8:32. So the two boxes we're breaking today, one is ending in 020. And the second box is ending in 115. And again, wish everybody the best of luck. Let me get the focus going here. Tampa Bay, Victor Hedman, numbered out of 299. Redemption, Phil Esposito, Stanley Cup signatures. So we'll have to raffle between the New York Rangers and the Boston Bruins, because Phil did spend some time with the New York Rangers. Alex Ovechkin, limited captains, numbered out of 199. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, numbered out of 99. There we go. Jaromir Jagr, Philadelphia Flyers, autographed, numbered out of 25. Guy Lafleur, Montreal Canadiens, not auto, Stanley Cup winners, numbered out of 199. And Gabriel Landeskog, Colorado Avalanche, numbered out of 199. And Boston Bruins Cam Neely board members, numbered out of 199. And also let you know we just got a fresh case of this limited, so these boxes are all from a fresh case. Alex Goligoski, Dallas, out of 299. Corey Perry, Anaheim, out of 299. Robert Mayer, Montreal Canadiens, numbered out of 499. Redemption, Alexander Burmistrov, number 11. I don't know who he plays for, but we'll find out at the end of the auction, and we'll email the appropriate winner. Joe Mullen, Pittsburgh, numbered out of 99. Eric Lindros, Philadelphia Flyers, numbered out of 199. And the last card is Jeff Skinner Gold Limited, numbered out of 10 out of 25. So we'll get set up for the random of the Phil Esposito. Stanley Cup signatures, and of course with the redemption I don't have the card, so we don't know if he's in a New York Rangers or a Boston Bruins unit. And of course if I'm wrong, somebody will definitely let me know. So let's go autofocus. So we'll go Boston, New York Rangers, Boston, New York Rangers, Boston, New York Rangers. And as per the auction website, we'll randomize this 3 times. Wish the best of luck to whoever had Boston and the New York Rangers. So random. Once. Twice. And the last time, the Boston Bruins are at the top. You can see he was randomized 3 times. Congratulations to Boston. Again, check out the other auctions. It's easy just to search for the box break and whatever the number was. And we'll look forward to seeing you again next week.